cool. Whoa, what's this? Come on, man. I guess I'll do the ramp. Oh, this is more efficient way. What the? This is so cool. This is so. I know you will remove the credit, so you skipped it. I don't know how to pronounce that. Whoa, what is this? Whoa. Winter flashback? What's that? Summer sale? What's that? Oh my god, I got 9 gazillion shiny rocks. Out of stock. No. No. What should I buy? I want this. How do I buy these? What's this? It shows over here. Whoa. I can buy these. Rosy cheeks. Do you want to buy this item? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. That's weird. I want to buy this. Yay. I want to become Leprechaun GT. I want to post a video about my new YouTube channel, Leprechaun GT. Never mind. Can you see these? Nice. Okay, that was pretty embarrassing. Leprechaun GT is back with another video. Whoa, these are cool. No. I don't like snow. Whoa, computer. I should change my name. Glitch. What's this? What is this color code? Whoa, yellow? Nice. We should get out of here. Guys, that's the end of the video, guys. Bye bye.